How to delete account bio history on Instagram. For that, you have to tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this profile feed, tap on three-line icon at top right corner. On the settings and activity page, you have to tap on your activity which is under how you use Instagram. Scroll down and select the account history. Here you just have to tap on update type at the top right corner of the screen and select bio. Now tap on apply at the bottom of the screen. Now here you can see the account bio history of Instagram. So unfortunately there is no any option to delete the bio manually one by one. So we can do it by clearing the all bio history. Just tap on clear at the upper right corner and we can see that we have successfully deleted our account bio history on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.